Evaluate the limit using your basic limit laws. Problem number 1. The limit as x approaches 9 of the function x. The answer is, can't see it. As x approaches 9. The answer is 9.
So the limit's 9?
Yes. Why? Why? Yeah, x is 9.
So anytime it says x approaching a number, the limit's that number.
Uh-huh.
But then why would I not?
Okay, so what about the limit as x approaches 1/2 raised to the 4th power? If you will substitute, direct substitution, 1 to the 4th power is 1, 2 to the 4th power is 16. The limit is 1/16. The limit as x approaches 2, and this is t to the -1. Now, I will tell you, I don't like the -1. So how do I get rid of the negative exponent? Make it a fraction. The limit as x approaches 2 of 1 over t. And now with direct substitution, what is the answer? 1/2. As long as you're not dividing by 0, you can just do a direct substitution. And if you are on the AP exam and you don't have a calculator, you can't just type it in and get the answer, right? So you're going to hopefully remember how to do some of this stuff without the calculator. May 9th is a long way away. All right, so using your basic limit laws, because we're not going to just plug this into the calculator.
That's in 0.2.
0.2, yes. 0.2. How would you break this apart to make it easier? And if you're doing anything in your head, you're breaking it apart using your basic limit laws.
0.6 plus 4.
Why do you think it is 0.2 times 3 is 0.6? So you're not going to pull that 3 out. You're just going to break them into 2 different parts.
3 times 0.2
Is
is
either one like where you put the 3 in front of the limit and you have x plus 4? Is that the law we would use?
Now, if you know that 0.2 times 3 is 0.6, it's almost pointless to pull the 3 out and just have the 0.2, right? Because you did that in your head and you're like, it's 0.6. What is the limit as x approaches 0.2 of 4?
0.2 of 4. What does that mean? Just 4.
All right, so this one is your 0.6 plus. What does the graph y equal 4 look like? It's a horizontal line. As you're approaching 0.2 on that line, what is your y value?
As I'm, can you repeat that? As I'm approaching.
Let me draw the picture. If you have this graph,
So is 0.6 plus 4?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is this horizontal line, correct?
Yes.
So this is where y equals 4. 0.2 is here. What is the y value from the left and the right? What is the limit as you're approaching 0.2 on that line? What is the y value on that line where y equals 4? It's a constant. What is the value of y on the line y equals 4? Yes, that's why it's 4. 4 plus 0.6 is 4.6. That's it. That's the answer.
So why didn't we just plug in 0.2?
Because I want you to do it without plugging into the calculator. But that's what you did to get the 0.6. You said 0.2 times 3 is 0.6. Where are you going to plug in a 0.2 on the 4? There's no x. So you can't. Therefore, the answer is 4. Because it's constant. There's not a variable. All right, let's try this one. The limit as x approaches -1. 3x to the 4th minus 2x to the 3rd plus 4x. Make it simple. And I bet you can do this without even typing it into the calculator. Just by a direct substitution. You should. -1 to the 4th power is what? Yeah, you shouldn't have to type that in the calculator. What is -1 to the 3rd power? -1. And 4 times -1. Okay, so you're going to break it apart. 3 times your -1 to the 4th minus 2 times the -1 to the 3rd plus 4 times -1. This is 3 plus 2 minus 4. They will expect you on the AP exam to be able to do a problem like that without your calculator.
Where did they get it by?
3 plus 2 minus 4. PEMDAS, orders of operation. The limit as x approaches 2 of x plus 1 and 3x squared minus 9. How do you want to work this problem?
So at number 9, is the limit 5?
The limit's 1.
So, but the limit's not -1.
No,